Hey family.
What's going on, people?
So we want to come on here really quick and give you an intro to this video.
Really quick.
Now, as you can see by the title, we went to Gatlinburg, right?
Yes, we did.
But
had a great time.
We ended up staying in Knoxville, Tennessee.
Yep, we did.
So here's the deal. This was a very impromptu trip, okay? When we decided to go look for a hotel, there was pretty much nothing available in Gatlinburg.
Nothing
if it was,
at all.
It wasn't anything that we really wanted to stay.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Real.
You want to be comfortable when you're going somewhere out of town. So we ended up seeing, every time we went through a search, it kept coming up with Knoxville. Mm-hmm. So we were like, okay, let's look at Knoxville.
What's in Knoxville?
Right. Turns out Knoxville's only about 45 minutes from Gatlinburg. And honestly and truly, most of that is detracting when you get close to Gatlinburg. Gatlinburg has a lot of traffic, you guys.
Yes.
So that's one
Gatlinburg
thing
is lit up with traffic.
you may want to know before you head that way. But I will say, if you're ever going to Gatlinburg and you can't get accommodations in Gatlinburg,
stay
consider
in Knoxville.
Knoxville
For sure.
So what you're gonna see next is our video, our hotel room video, and we stayed at the Marriott Residence Inn in Knoxville, Tennessee.
And it was very nice.
It was super nice, guys. The location was great. We were just a few minutes from the interstate. Everything was nice. It was clean. You'll see all that in the video. We were actually in downtown Knoxville. Very beautiful area.
Oh yeah, very beautiful.
Again, just want to kind of come on here really quick and let you guys know exactly why you're going to see a hotel in Knoxville, but it says Gatlinburg.
Right. For sure.
So you guys, if you guys have any questions at all about the area that we were staying in, if you have any questions about Gatlinburg, feel free to drop them in the description box, in the comment section below, guys. All right. So again, I want to give you a quick intro to what you're going to see next, and we hope that you guys enjoy this.
Enjoy it.
Enjoy. Okay, guys, so it's like a little studio here, and that is room 626. Have a nice little kitchen area here. Very nice. Microwave, refrigerator, little flat top stove, toaster. Let's see what we got here in the cabinets. Yes, everything we need. There you go. This is great. We weren't really sure about whether or not they were going to have these things, but we saw some videos in other places where they didn't have everything because of what's going on right now. So it's good to see these things. And they have the pots. Perfect. There you go. Have all those needs. This is perfect. Got a little bar action going on here. The bar stools. This is really cute because most residence inns are not made like this. They're more like apartments. This is really nice. There you go. Nice little workstation right there. TV. Got the bed right here. Let's see if we have a view. Not really sure. And again, we're on the 6th floor. It's not a bad view. I'll take that. I will take that. Very nice, very nice. Okay, let's go back this way. Okay. Guess like a little vanity action going on. Some drawers. Have a closet right here. Extra linens. And the bathroom. Let's see here. Very nice. Looks very nice and clean. Excuse your girl, she's been traveling. Paul Mitchell. Very nice. Okay, you guys. There you go. And of course the toilet. There you have it, guys. That is the Residence Inn, Knoxville, Tennessee. And it appears that we are downtown. Very nice. Check-in was nice and smooth. And we'll have other videos kind of showing you more details of the hotel itself. Smooth check-in, very sweet staff, people we met along the way, housekeeping, very, very nice people. So there you have it, guys. All right. Again, this is the Residence Inn, Knoxville, Tennessee. And we will take you back out to this lovely view. Look at the mountains, you guys. How beautiful is that? All right, guys, there you have it. Okay, so one of the things that we do when we travel and they have YouTube on the TV, we always pull up our channel and watch a video so that it sticks. And so when somebody else comes behind us, excuse me, they can also watch our videos. So if you guys don't already do this, make sure you do it, okay? All right, just a little tip from us to you. There we are. Hey, social couplepreneur. Okay, good morning, family. Yes, my head is cut off on purpose. I'm looking a hot mess and it's early in the morning. But I just wanted to show you guys the options that they have here at the Residence Inn Marriott Knoxville. Alex just went downstairs to get us breakfast. And so we have, it came back in a bag, right? You can actually either eat there. Is that correct, Alex? Yeah. You could eat there or you can get the food to go, okay? So he grabbed us a couple of coffees right there. Right there. Napkins. Fruit Loops. We have orange juice right here. Was there a lot of people down there, Alex? Yeah. There was a lot of people. Okay, so a lot of people are taking advantage of the breakfast. A lot of people are down there eating or getting it to go. Milk. Okay, so you actually can eat in their dining room, which is good to know. We opted to kind of just stay in here because we're going to be heading out in just a little bit. So we have more orange juice. So we thought this would be more efficient to do it this way. And there's also plenty of space in this room to eat. Some more apple juice. And let's see what we got. Here's going to be a surprise for me too because I don't know what Alex got in terms of food. Now Alex did have a little situation down there when he went to get the food. And so, you know, apparently he went down there. There was not anyone really saying what to do when you get down there. So he proceeded to go in there and get food like you normally would. And as he was about to do that, he just touched the lid of one of the serving dishes, and the person who works down there, I don't know how else to say it, they kind of were upset and told him, you know, you can't do that, you know, which I understand, you know, because what the situation that we're in right now, you can't just do all that. But he had no direction whatsoever. Nobody was telling him anything. Nobody was, I'm sorry, I showed that kind of quick. Nobody was really there to kind of guide him. So sadly, the guy kind of was upset and, you know, kind of said, you know, this area is kind of contaminated now, so to speak. And the people that were being served were like, yeah, but can we get our food? Because they were clearly not bothered by the fact that Alex proceeded to touch the top lid of one of the food serving dishes. And they were just looking at the guy like, are you serious right now? Like, we're gonna go ahead and eat, but you do what you do. But I get it because of what's going on in the world. But again, like I said, to Alex's defense, there were no signs, no one said anything. You know, the guy apparently that said something, eventually when Alex came in, he said hello, but that's all he said. There was no signs that said, we serve you. There was no signs that said don't touch the food. There was no signs that said any of that. So he didn't know. He was just doing what he would normally do because there really was no direction. So guys, does that kind of sum up what happened, Alex?
Yeah, exactly what happened.
Okay. Your boy's a little bit. We're going to be fine. We're going to be fine. So there you go, guys. It is the bistro to go. And that's actually just downstairs to the right of the check-in area.
Yeah.
I believe they have breakfast and lunch.
Yeah.
And guys, that's it. So now you know that if you come here, you have the option to either dine in the restaurant or take it to go to your room. They pack it up nicely for you. And this is included with the room. Okay, I don't believe there was a special package that we got. I believe it's just included with the room. So there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed this quick video so you guys know exactly what you'll get or have an idea of what you get. Obviously the menu may change when you come here, but just wanted to give you guys just a close-up of what you could expect. All right, guys, see you in a minute.
All right. So this is the setup. Everything is pre-set up for you. That's what the station looks like. That's over here. Tray set up here. Tray set up. Okay, so we got bacon. We got sausage.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me.
Yes.
We have to serve you.
Okay. Oh.
You done contaminated everything over there.